So this is walkie-talkie FPV.
Why are you so weird?
And this is Nicholas.
I don't know.
And this is the quad they're going to use. Now, you're not familiar with the controller, right?
Nope, not at all.
We're good, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
I will.
Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Hello. This is insane. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, he hit the flag. Don't hit me like you hit the flag.
I already hit you once.
Oh my God. Ah! Oh! You got it to the nuts. We're right here.
To the belly.
All right, I'm out. I'm done. Oh my God.
There we go.
Awesome. Awesome. Don't try this at home, right?
No, that was a bad idea.
That was a bad idea.
You know, it's all fun and games until the drone police show up. You guys got your remote ID?
I'm fine. I didn't do it. Drone police is a riot.
Coolest accent at the event.
Of course. I mean, no, you got the Canadians.
Right, it's your Canadian accent that I like so much. What do you got in your goodie bag?
This is the new prototype duffel bag
Uh-huh.
for freestylers and racers.
Oh, that's so nice.
You got some Coke because, you know, Colombians and Coke.
He said it. He can say that.
I can say that.
That's right. Yeah. You are the frequency boss?
Yeah.
What do you call yourself?
Line guy.
Line guy.
Running the tag tent.
All right.
Because we do dog tags for our events.
Tag tent. You know, the tag tent was something different when I was in high school.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was.
Hey, who are you?
I'm John.
Hey, John. Hi, who are you?
Jerry, the what?
Hey, Jerry. Have we met?
No.
I'm Ken.
Hi, Ken.
Have we met?
No.
Hi, I'm Ken. Have we met?
Now we have.
There you go. That's what you're supposed to say. Look who it is.
What's going on, gang?
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
For people that don't know you, tell them who you are.
I am Squints FPV, aka Adam Fraze, depending on which social media platform you know me on.
You are posting all the time on Instagram, and I love your clips.
All the time, appreciate it.
Yeah. Now most of the stuff we see is in Atlanta, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, north Atlanta.
Man, it's just amazing what you can do. It's very impressive.
Appreciate it.
I'll never get there.
Takes stick time.
Everybody has different styles of flying.
Yeah.
I think I'm more swoopy than tricky. And I
Whatever
think
makes you happy.
that's right. That's what, you know what? I always say FPV is like karaoke. It's still fun even if you suck at it.
It truly is.
Yeah. You know, I've seen a lot of great facial hair here today.
Yes.
Would it be too forward of me to ask to touch your beard?
No.
May I?
Yes.
Oh, that is delightful.
Very fluffy.
It's more
Thick
fluffy than
and
I thought it
fluffy.
would be. Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
You're welcome.
Look at this. Your hair is on point, quite literally.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Man, can I give it a sniff?
Yeah, go for it.
You smell fantastic.
I'm sure I smell like tea tree. I should.
Oh, man. Do you have stickers?
No.
No. Everybody's got stickers except me and you.
How come nobody told me to get stickers?
Yeah, what's up with that? Nobody told us.
I didn't get the memo.
These guys are falling down on the job. Are you going to get some stickers?
I'm gonna get now. Well, I have to get.
Well, you have to now, yeah.
We're the only ones without stickers. So.
How long have you been into FPV?
A little over a year now.
Okay, and you drank the Kool-Aid. You're in the well with the rest of us.
Yeah, I'm in deep. Yeah.
What would you say to people who are just deciding to get into it?
Be patient.
It's tough at first. It was tough for all of us.
It's frustrating,
It's
isn't
very
it?
frustrating at first, but you know, stick with it. It's worth it.
And
It's
then
so much fun.
at some point, it just clicks, and you're like, oh yeah.
It's just like, am I ripping?
Yeah,
Am I ripping?
right, and that is when that's when the money starts going down the toilet.
Yeah, that's when you really start having to explain.
Carbon fiber is tax deductible. There's a camera in your face. What are you gonna do? There's a camera in your face. What are you gonna do? Aw, that was unexpectedly nice. We are in the middle of an FPV conversation right now. I don't know what they're talking about, but these two guys right here. We're talking about what?
Service.
Oh, cell service?
I work for T-Mobile.
Oh my
God.
Oh, it overheated. Oh my God, it's Jimmy J. And Jimmy J Jr. Jimmy J Jr. What did you just say?
I want to get a drone.
Yeah, you do. A fast one, right?
Yeah.
Hey man, this is a wonderful event you got going on.
Thank you guys so much, man. It turned out amazing. Team Drone Adventures BBQ Bando has been such a success. The TDA Army gets the credit for this. The Heathens, all the TDA pilots, Envious FPV and the show. Check us out almost every morning, kind of randomly, but on Facebook, teamdroneadventures.org. We got 5 more of these we're doing this year, man.
Okay.
All coming out.
Where can people see where the next event's coming up?
Team Drone Adventures, we have our own Facebook group, join the TDA Army. All of our information comes from there. We do updates, all of our videos, all these amazing sponsors. Also, the new website's up, teamdroneadventures.org, and also nvsfpv.com. You can hit me up on all platforms, the letters NVSFPV. Check me out, man.
Awesome. You gonna do it again here next year, maybe?
We're gonna come back. I think we're gonna do 2 a year here. We're a traveling drone team.
All right.
We are in the works of the next one. I'll give you a little teaser on it.
All right.
An abandoned prison.
What? Really?
The TDA jailbreak is going to be the next event. We're working on the paperwork. I hope I just didn't jinx it, but buckle up, boys. We're going big this year.
Knock on wood, it'll happen.
You know that.
It's Dave in the middle of a sale.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing, man? What are you selling? What are you selling?
We're talking about antennas. It's True RC.
Uh-huh.
Out of Canada.
Right?
In the USA.
Oh my God, you've got all the good stuff.
Hey, did you see the Ken Heron made me do it t-shirts over there?
Yes. Available at flyhighfpv.com. What you doing, Kong?
I'm doing a little build work here.
Yeah, what happened? What's wrong?
Nothing, it's a new build.
Just souping it up?
Souping it up.
You putting a Hemi in there?
Throwing the Hemi.
Excellent. Who are you?
I'm Malcolm.
Malcolm, what are you doing here?
Just hanging out.
It's a great place to hang out.
Oh my God.
Beautiful weather.
Beautiful.
What about the dancing girls?
Oh.
Man, did we miss them?
Where are they at?
Oh, they were up there on the stage a minute ago.
Yeah.
You missed them.
I'm happily married because you have a lot of viewers.
Oh yeah,
And,
yeah.
I'm very happily married.
You arrived just after the dancing girls left.
Yeah, good. I planned that.
You ready to go?
Bend it.
Oh, bend it and send it.
Bend it and send it.
Man, you're everywhere.
I am.
What are you doing here?
Flight line manager, as usual.
So who are you? What's your name?
I am Colin, aka Captain Colin.
And you're the one who invited me here.
Yes, I did. I was making sure I wanted you here.
And I'm here, and I
miss out on this fun.
I appreciate it very much.
Love it.
That's awesome. What's your name, sir?
Miles.
And Miles is gonna fly this.
There you go.
All right, we got a faulty GoPro 6, vape juice,
Yeah?
anal lube.
You gotta have all that.
I got something special because Ken asked me for it.
Yeah?
It's shaving cream This one.
All right.
He likes.
We are gonna need this.
This is the trifecta.
I think this is too much.
I call.
Even for me. I'm not putting any of that in. It's all on the editing room floor.
I call this the Heron pack.
All right, I'll leave it in. It's funny.
The Heron pack.